Hi everyone, welcome to FixV. In this video, we'll learn how to increase our ATS score and how to get a better, how to type a better resume. And also, I tell you how to tips and tricks or how to increase your rate. So let's get started. First of all, I tell you how to check your resume rate, previous resume rate. Go to Inchan CV, Inchan CV. Go it, and as you see this first green circle, click on it. Go to get your resume, and as you see that this box upload your resume, click on it and search add your previous resume. So this one is a premium free version. They ask you to buy premium version, so do not buy this premium version because just because of they just increase their, as you see that this is my ATS rate. Do not see this because they just want to buy this premium version and just add little bit of information in it. So as you see that there I show you my skills are 100%, my style 50%. Do not follow this, they just want to buy your premium version, buy the premium version. So as you see that this is my 90% ATS score, this is real. So also I get the reply from UAE. I live in UAE. I also get a reply from a job, international job with my this resume. I share this resume next video. This video topic is how to increase your resume, and also I share with you tips and tricks. So go back to. So I tell you how to increase your resume score, how to check your resume score. 3 points for 30% score. If you have 60% score, I tell you 3 points to increase, 30 more points to reach at 90 to increase your score, ATS score. As you as you know that ATS is a tool that recruiters use to check the resume score as it match your profile or not. So this is example of a ATS score. So first I tell you how to check your resume score. The second one is how to increase your resume score. So first of all, we go to tips. Add LinkedIn. It increase your 5% score. If you add LinkedIn in your profile, in your resume, attach with your resume, it increase 5 to 7% of your resume score. So please attach this. And the second one is 400 words. If you write your resume with 400 words, is a better chance to get your resume with the recruiters. So do not go with the recruiters. And the third one is attach professional mail. uh, Try to be write your mail like Thomas1 to a professional mail, looks like professional Thomas1 to @mail.com, Travis 56, and the must email must be a small digit, not at gaming or funning or just like of these keywords, and a professional mail that looks like a business are you interested in a job or you are not applying for their waste of time, because most of the resumes are going to the recruiter spam box. So if you want to save from it, you have to just follow these steps to increase your ATS score, because you apply with there are hundreds of people apply at the same job where you apply. So how you can go to the top of the recruiters box, they do not send your resume in the spam box. So apply these type of tips. At LinkedIn 400 words and must be your email is professional. And the last one is hard skill are that like you it was your extra skills. Like if you are in a kitchen field, basically I am, if you are in the kitchen field and you learn how to use MS Word, how to learn if I learn IELTS, it's an extra subject that I do from without my experience. MS Word is not used in the kitchen field, so it's my hard skill. IELTS is not used in the kitchen field. Basic English, everyone know, but I done IELTS. It's a hard skill. And if I am a kitchen field, I learn decoration. So decoration and these type of hard skill that helpful in your future for your job and increase your chance to get in that. So the hard skill give you 50 points. If you write your hard skills that you know So it increase your 50% points and 25% chance to go to the recruiter's top box, not to the spam box. And also the tricks: send your resume weekends in morning, weekdays in the morning, sorry, weekdays in the morning 9 to 10 a.m. because in the morning you said you know that office job start at 9 a.m. or sometime to 10 a.m. So try to send your resume on 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. in this between time. Do not send your resume in 11:20, 11:12, the break time, or not send in the evening time. So try to send your resume 9 to 10 a.m. And the second one is also connect with the people where you apply for job in LinkedIn. So what does that mean? This it means you also make a profile on LinkedIn and you have to active on LinkedIn daily day on a regular basis, like you are on WhatsApp or TikTok or Instagram. So you have to active on the LinkedIn on the regular basis, like in which industry you will apply. So you have to connect with these people, see what people are also join this company and connect with them, and like their post, share their post, and also make a better profile, attach or add your professional. Also I also add this, add your profession, also add your professional in your LinkedIn. It's better to, if you add this, if you do this, you can get a better chance to connect with direct with recruiters. They direct message you. If you increase your daily, if you increase your daily active on the LinkedIn, which industry you apply to connect with people, it increase your chance to get into the job. So this tricks, last trick is this. So this one is very important, you also do this. And also I get a job in UAE, I live in UAE, and also get a job in UAE international market to with these last one. It's very important to do this, so better time. So in the next video I share you my resume that get me to the job, straight in the job, and also connect with the LinkedIn and get talk with recruiters, message to message. Do not with add with third party. So like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for the video. Just that's it.